Unlike plants and animals, a human is blessed with an intellect. We can evolve to greater heights of evolution and self-sufficiency. A weak intellect causes our mind to turn excessively dependent on the world. Such emotional dependence breaches all limits of physical dependencies, causing mental ill health conditions. This undercurrent of dependency keeps building all through life. Yet, it becomes very evident and deplorable when one cannot run fast enough to catch up with mind's demands.